Hi Brickers, we are here for a new tutorial video of the airdrop. So here we have the BrikBit.io website. Please check our website for user cases, for white paper ecosystem and other information of our project. So let's start with our bot. Push the start button for starting the procedure. We have the first information. First of all, you have to register on our whitelist. You can find here the link. After that, you have to put inside of the button the email you have used to register. So /airdrop, and after that the email you used, like that, like the example. So please check the confirmation email after registering on the whitelist. After the whitelisting section, you have to get inside of our BrikBit community Telegram group. After that, let's start with Twitter section. You can see you have to copy the capitation above, the instruction, follow our page, post the sentences in a new tweet, and after that you have to write inside of the bot /tw and the nickname, your nickname in Twitter, like the example, nothing more. Just wait a little bit. Congratulations, we have earned the Twitter token. Let's go with Instagram. Instagram is a little bit complicated. You have to save this picture and post it in your Instagram profile with the capitation. The capitation is the same of Twitter. After that, you have to go on the website into the instruction and check your numeric ID, like this, nothing more. So write /insta and the numeric ID. Wait a little bit. Congratulations, we have earned the Instagram token. Let's go for the Facebook section. So again, copy the capitation above, go on Facebook, like our page, post the capitation in on our page, and after that copy the link above your browser. Copy that link and write inside of the bot with /fb and the link. Just wait a little bit. So we have completed all the tasks of our airdrop. Thank you so much guys, and goodbye.